Hi everyone, welcome in DSL Tech Zone. My name is Nandev Lavkare. In this video we are going to start Linux interview questions with answer for beginner. So in previous video we have seen top 15 basic commands for beginner. Hence we are going to start interview questions and answer for those commands which we have seen in the last video. So these are the commands which we have seen in the last video. If you want to know about each and every command, its uses and how to perform these commands, so that you can refer the previous video from my channel DSL Tech Zone. So out of these 15 commands, today we are going to start the questions and answer on ls command. This is a very popular command, so that we are going to start interview questions on ls command. Which type of question may be asked on ls at the time of interview, as a beginner level or experience level. So generally ls is command used to display files and directories from a computer in a Unix and Linux operating system. So just we in a current path or a current directory, we just want to use the ls command in a small case. So according to that, we will display the how many files and directories are resided in my current directory. So according to that, we can use the ls command. Okay, so listing the files and directory, simply we can say that. So what is the use of ls command? So same type of question will be asked. So question may be asked at the time of interview, what is the use of ls command in Linux? Or another way they can ask question, as an interviewer can ask the question, what does the ls command do in Linux? Another use, maybe we can say that in another way they can ask the question, how to display the hidden file in Linux or the Unix operating system by using ls command. So for that purpose, we should have to know about all the options whenever such type of question may be asked on a ls at the time of interview. Again, one type of question may be asked, what is the command to display the files and directory in a reverse order time? So this is a very popular question. 99% this question may be asked at the every interview. What is the command to display the files and directory in a reverse order time? So I will tell you hands-on later on. So first we'll understand which type of question may be asked at the time of interview on a ls command. Okay, how to find out inode of the each file in the Linux. It means the index node, or we can say that as a data structure of the file. In another term, we can say that inode is a data structure. So how we can find the inode from the each and every file which is resided in a current directory, or the specific file I just want to search its inode. One more question may be asked on ls command, how to long listing file size with the human readable format. So generally this type of question, human readable format only support for the Linux. Whatever the option which is available with the ls command, it is not going to support in a Unix operating system. This is another way you can display this one, but with ls we cannot do this one. Okay, what is the command to show the files and directory and its group name? So according to that, this type of question may be asked on a ls command. So let's begin with the practical, how ls command we are going to perform. So for that purpose, I'm just going to open my terminal. So this is my current path. I'm going to use the pwd command. So everybody knows that pwd is used to show the current working directory, or we can say that print working directory. So this is my home path. Okay, so on home path, if suppose I just want to see the ls listing of the files and directory, so you can see here, these are the files and directory which is present on my current path. Okay, but I just want to see the long listing along with all the detail of files. So for that purpose, I can just use the ls -l. -l, it means long listing. So you can see here the file which is started with the permissions and all those things. So this is my file, this is my file. So here you can see the D stand for directory. So these are the directories, desktop, nan, document and download. These are the directory. So it is starting with the D letter and along with the permission and all other things. So sometime question may be asked, what is the output of ls-el command? So in a simply we can say that it is it will display the long listing along with all the details of the file or directory. But in another way you can say that the ls-el is a long listing, but it will shows the output of this command in a 7 column. So how it is a 7 column? So you can consider this one is a first column says that the permission of the files of the directory. Okay, second column says that the linking of the file, hard link of the file or the directory. Then third column owner, fourth column group, fifth column size of the file, sixth column date and time the file was created or the directory was created, and the seventh column says that the name of the file or name of the directory. So simply at the time of interview you can say that ki ls-el is used to listing the long listing files and directory, but generally it will give all the detail, who is the owner of file, who is the group of the file, what are the permission of the file, what is the size of file, when this file is created, and all those details you will get with the help of ls-el command. So simply you can answer like this. Okay, another question was in a show the files and directory in a reverse order. It means I just want to see the as a bottom level as a latest file according to that. So for that purpose I can use ls-elrt. So listing, L stands for long, R stands for reverse, and T for time. So I just want to see the files in the reverse order time. So you can see here, if suppose we can see it is also in a long listing but reverse order. So you can see here date October 1st, after that November 26, before the September, October, November. According to that all the files are displayed in the form of a reverse order. So you can explain at the time of interview. Another way already I told you at the time of command. So if I just want to see the hidden files, so for that purpose all files, it means all the files. So generally ls-a is used for the show the hidden files. Okay, so you can see here in a Linux or the Unix, hidden files start with the single dot or double dot. So you can see here what is the output. A stands for all, but here you will get the hidden file as well. So that we can say that ls-a is used to show the hidden files. Okay, now another command is I just want to see ki, for example I have a directory, okay, cd $desktop, cd desktop. Okay, I can find the ls-el. Okay, long listing. I just want to see the nan directory which is created on a desktop, also Seetal data or the Unix directory which is created on a desktop. So I just want to see the what are the subdirectory which is available in a Unix directory, and also what are the files are resided in a subdirectory. So how to display by with the help of ls command. So simply you can use ls-r. Okay, so you will get all the detail. You can see here this is a my nan is a main directory, these are the sub files are available in this directory. Seetal data, these are the all the files are available. Unix directory which is having the these are the files. It means along with the subdirectory and all the detail you will get with the help of -r. So ls-r means recursive order. Okay, in another way I can see, I told you how much space is occupied by a specific file or the directory, but I just want to see in the form of human readable. So for that purpose we can use ls-l long listing along with the h. Okay, h means human readable. So you can see here this course.odt is occupied 47 KB. According to that these are the size, not the much more bulk file size. So these are the things which is available along with the, so with the help of ls-lh command we can see the human readable size of the file. One more question may be asked on the ls command. I just want to see the inode of my file. So you can simply use ls-i or long listing. So ls-il. So you will get the inode of the this file. So these are the inode of the each and every file. So simply we can say that inode is a unique number each and every file. So it is a data structure. it has resided all the information, who is the owner of the file, when the file is created, and all those things. With the help of inode we can easily identify it. Okay, so if suppose in another way, maybe question which is asked, I just want to see list of all the files along with its directory and its group and name, its group name and all those things. So simply you can use ls hyphen, I can use here lg, so you will get. So you can see here, this is a group. If don't make confusion, ls hyphen el will give the first is my owner, this one is my owner, okay, this is a owner and this is a group. So now I just want to see the group of all the directories and the files which come under the in which group. So for that purpose I can use the ls hyphen g. Just going to clear the console. Okay, now see ls hyphen lg in a long listing way you can see. So these are the groups. So same group which available for all those files which are created along with the directories. Okay, so this type of question may be asked on the ls command, so be prepared for that. So this is a very simple. So in this video we will just see what are the question which is asked on the ls command. So this is a sufficient for the on a ls command. So in the next video we will start with the another command. Okay, what are the interview questions and all those things. So thank you for your valuable time. You can subscribe my channel DSL Tech Zone blogspot.com for the latest video and all the video series on Linux and SQL. Thank you.